my grandfather's model 1100 Magnum. To start cleaning the 1100, you have to first open the chamber. Then you unscrew the end cap, as seen here. Then you can put that in a good spot. Next, you remove the forearm just by sliding it off. Then, once you remove the forearm, you remove the barrel. That's so. Next, you have your small pin, one of your gas control pins, and your O-ring. Just simply slide the O-ring off and have some place to put it. I recommend having a small little Tupperware dish like that. Just slide them off. Nice Scotch-Brite pad. Remington shotgun cleaner. Rem oil. Q-tips. Long Q-tips. Rag. .12 gauge barrel swab worn, however you want to say it. So you got your 1100 here. With the chamber still installed, this one isn't as dirty. But it does have a little bit of rust now. Now to get rid of the rust, you want steel wool. Take steel wool and just and the rust is gone. Next, you take Scotch-Brite, spray it with some shotgun cleaner. Get that out of the way. Taking your scrub. That's all gunpowder. Then you take your rag, cut it up. Same thing, shotgun cleaner, rag. Good, get a little wet. Flip the rag over. Take another rag, same thing. throw this rag away. By holding the chamber, close that, and start scrubbing away the powder underneath the piston arm. Scotch Brite. Get off all that tough. Tough caked on powder. Just go lightly though. Don't have to really scrub it. Because then you're wiping right away the bluing. Then just complete cleaning the fire piston. The action piston. Then lock it back. Spray out your chamber. Rag. You do the same thing with the barrel. Just clean, wipe, scrub. Now you cut your rag into squares about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Or 2 by 2. Place on the worm. Coat with your cleaner. And go down the barrel, starting from the chamber end. And repeat this process quite a few times until you can look down it and see no grit or dirt or gunpowder. As you can see, it is now clean. Take that rag off, and the barrel is now dry too. Next, clean your barrel. Just repeat. And she's good. Next, you clean your rings. Scotch Brite the heck out of them. Rag with your spray on. And that ring is done. Do your O-ring too. Just wipe it down. Put a little spray on it. Clean. Last, your other ring. Same thing as usual, go in. Start scraping off that excess powder, that caked on burnt powder. Your ring is pretty clean, or as clean as you can get.